paid about 10 bucks a sheet for one of these. They weren't free, but $20 to fix this mud hole, that's not bad. We'll see how it works out. I can always take them out of there. Gotta grab some bar oil. Let's get out there. Okay, that's close enough. I'd rather not go over this rough terrain with my bucket so high. But as you can see here, she's quite soft. This rig matting is not looking good though. It's not looking long enough. If I wouldn't have got stuck here yesterday, because I didn't sink till about here, right? But then getting out, I dug this all up. If I wouldn't have got stuck, probably would have been good. And we're gonna try and make this work. Like, how bad is it after this, I wonder? Because I know this is the worst part, is right here. This part isn't near as bad. I think we'll be okay here. I think we'll be okay. Now that's where we fell through, right there. So let's try try that. Well, we'll see how this does. Should overlap it just a bit there. So let's see what happens. Well, we're making her through. I just hope this hole up above isn't that deep. We'll have to put some logs in this hole here. We'll see how much it gets smashed out by driving over it, especially when we come back fully loaded. Well, we're here, we made her. This ground is quite soft too, but I think with the tractor's big tires, we'll be okay. Here's a look at the load. I hope she doesn't tip back. Guess we'll find out. Here's what's left. How many trees we cut down? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pretty big trees. And I'll easily fit this in the trailer. There's a few more logs there that I already had cut from last year. I'm going to grab too. We might have to cut one more tree to get a full load for our next load. So let's see how she does on our matting here going through the swamp on the way back. Oh, we didn't even make it. There's a big root here on this tree and I'm just kind of hung up a bit. And if I try and go back, this is what I was talking about. If I try and go backwards, the 3-point hitch wants to lift up, and that's what you don't want. We're gonna have to see if we can get out of here. Tear up that ground. Way easier, because that's not going to be any fun with those holes. I need to get some tire chains for this tractor. She would curl right through this like nothing. As soon as I get past this section, I'm golden. I won't have any problems. But you can see, look at the big ruts here I gotta get through. Let's see if we can make her through here. We got through the hardest part, I think. We can crawl out of here. Those bumps. Well, we should be home free now. Look at that big bump there. It'll go over that stump like nothing. front to back because of weight issues. See, look at this big route that I gotta drive over. Cakewalk. Look at that big stump. I'll see you guys back at the house. You guys probably thought this wasn't a dump trailer, eh? It's not gonna dump. I'm on too big of a hill. The trailer is just level by doing that. That would have been cool though. If I was going downhill, it would do it. Load piled, and I put probably 6 logs in the boiler. So off to get the rest of that wood. I'm gonna go grab a strap here.